Hang out with me and see how you can create a cute Americana onesie and bib for children's apparel using CAD-CUT UltraWEED. I'm Jenna with Stahls TV, and thanks for joining me in my home studio. Printing infant onesies and other children's apparel accessories is a super popular way to get started with printing heat transfer vinyl. But one thing you need to take into consideration whenever you're printing items such as these is the safety of the product being put onto that apparel for the children to wear. To make sure it's safe, you want to keep an eye out for something called CPSIA compliancy. If a heat transfer vinyl has that compliancy, you know it's safe for children to wear. And that's why our new go-to heat transfer vinyl, known as CAD-CUT UltraWEED, is the perfect product for decorating items such as these. So let's go ahead and dive into today's project. Using the Cricut Explore Air 2, we're going to be cutting 4 different colors to utilize on our baby onesie and bib. When loading CAD-CUT UltraWEED, be sure to load it on your cutting mat with the shiny side down. Next, you want to make sure that your Cricut is set to iron on. Always be sure to mirror your design before sending it to cut. Next, it's time for the weeding process. So using my Stahls Easy Weeder tool, I'm just taking from the top left-hand corner and peeling to the bottom right-hand corner. CAD-CUT UltraWEED is extremely easy to weed, hence the name. So with one pull, I can peel away the excess material. And now we can head to the heat press and heat apply our onesie and personalize the bib as well. For the onesie application, we are going to be utilizing our heat printing accessory. This is called a heat printing pillow. This is going to let me get a nice application by raising the print area and allowing any thick seams or obstructions, such as the little bow tie here that's built into the onesie, to just fall off to the side so that I get a nice flat pressure here. So since I'm using that pillow, it's going to increase my pressure. So before I place my transfer, I'm just going to test to see what pressure I am at, making sure that it's medium, since that is what it requires to apply UltraWEED. All right, so we do have 3 colors for this application. We're using light navy, red, and metallic silver. And for easy alignment, I'm going to use the largest part of my design first and put that down. And then that way, when I go to line up the following colors, I don't have to worry about registration. It should just all fall into place. CAD-CUT UltraWEED is a 2-second tack product. So I can go ahead and just tack my first color for 2 seconds and continue with that same step for each color. Since I do have some exposed heat transfer vinyl for this application, I'm going to use a cover sheet to protect my upper heating element. And for the last color, we can go ahead and apply for the full 12 seconds. So our baby onesie is complete and perfectly festive for the upcoming holiday. And I'm going to continue to use this same heat printing pillow for my second application here, since we also have that bow tie on there as well. This is going to be a 2-color personalization piece using our white and red UltraWEED. I'm going to start with the largest part of my design once again, which is going to be the white. That will get a 2-second tack. And we can go ahead and peel that carrier and lay in our red. So not only does that 2-second tack help with the speed and your time spent at your heat press, but also helps with alignment because it keeps the heat transfer vinyl from shrinking under a long period of time and helps for easier placement with the next color. Do have some exposed edges of the white heat transfer vinyl, so I'm going to use the cover sheet for this application. And once more, anytime you are at the last step of your heat transfer vinyl or the last color in your design, that's when you will apply for the full application instructions. And our matching personalized bib is complete. To get started with Stahls CAD-CUT UltraWEED, visit our website at stahls.com. And as always, please like this video and subscribe to the Stahls TV YouTube channel.